GCC countries have become very important wealth management and financial services hubs, not only for the Middle East, but in the case of Dubai's International Financial Center, it's actually become one of the world's leading financial services hubs for wealth management. It has assets under management that exceed 700 billion US dollars, and it's created a tremendous ecosystem of financial services firms, wealth management firms, hedge funds, and all of the other financial services support organizations. A lot of wealth was invested into the property market of Dubai over the last 30 years. That's been tied to the tremendous growth of the UAE population and the development of its property market for international investors, mainly due to immigration by expatriates, or of course there's other hubs in the GCC where they also have investors placing wealth management funds. If we just look at the situation in the UAE generally, there's been hundreds of drones and missiles that have been directed by Iran towards UAE, and similar situation in other GCC countries where there have been Iranian drone and missile attacks. I think we can expect that in the near term, there'll be a big slowdown in property purchases, and there may be some forced sales as well from investors who want to pull out. Similarly, in wealth management, there's some indications that perhaps some investors want to reposition to other financial centers.
In the event that it doesn't end soon and it does become more protracted, which other international financial centers could investors turn to as an alternative from the GCC area?
In the Asia Pacific region, it's Singapore. Singapore has become one of the world's leading financial centers. It has a huge ecosystem of financial services and wealth management firms. The number of family offices in Singapore has grown very dramatically in the last 5 years. The other favorite for generations has been Switzerland. Probably those two global international financial centers might be where investors turn to diversify their portfolios. So I don't think that can easily return to normal until we have a very durable and robust agreement between the US and Iran that secures regional stability and a ceasefire. That will then, I think, allow the GCC to rebuild confidence in its countries and risk scenario outlooks. And I think that will, over time, result in the rebound of these economies in terms of wealth management hubs.